have a 2013 Hyundai Accent. This car has an issue with the steering wheel. We just got that here, you can hear it. All right, and the other thing I noticed is that you can move the steering side to side. So if your car has that issue, stay tuned, I'll show you how to fix it. Remove this airbag out. To remove it out, you will use a T40. There's a T40 bolt here and a T40 bolt on the other side. It's very easy to access them. Remove these out and then pull this out, and you will see that there's a nut or a bolt depending on what this car uses, and then we will tighten that up. I'm pretty sure that is the problem for this car, since it's right here and there is really not much at the end of the steering wheel. All right, let me show you how to do it. You will just tighten that nut and hopefully everything will go back to normal. Alright, after you tighten it, make sure you put the airbag back on. Check that everything is seated. Alright, and then you're just gonna push it like that. Alright, then now you will just screw the screws on the side. You can see there is no more noise. It's perfect, and that's it. Super easy, no need to remove anything. It's perfect. No more noise. The noise you're hearing is from the bottom, and it's just because it's old and it's not really noticeable. This is the most important one, and now it doesn't even shake.